The crypto markets are booming right now, and one of the best places I've found to trade is the PU Prime app. And there's a couple reasons for this. Now, this is financial advice, but today I'm going to be highlighting my top 5 crypto assets that I like to trade on PU Prime and why. So here we are inside the PU Prime app, and the way you can get to crypto on this is actually clicking that little crypto tab right there. So we're going to click that. We're going to see a bunch of different assets here. Now, my number one asset that I trade is obviously Bitcoin, and yes, the chart does show why here. It just booms up week on week here recently, and it's actually come all the way up from 74k all the way up to 105k. So that's why it's been a fantastic asset to be trading. And if we go along the top here as well, you can see there are copy traders and there's even analysis here as well. So you can see here, recently it's saying it's in the downtrend, but before that has been a massive uptrend that's been fantastic to trade with. Also, if we go back to the chart, you can see at the bottom here, we don't actually see this with other exchanges or apps, but you can actually add indicators just by pressing MACD, KDJ, or RSI there at the bottom. And on the left-hand side, we actually have Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and the mic indicator as well here. So having all of this accessible on PU Prime is great. And that's why I trade Bitcoin, because everything is here very easily at finger's reach. Now, the second favorite asset I like to trade here is Solana. Solana has had massive growth over the past year, and I will say that this is definitely one of the best when it comes to copy trading, because there's so many people trading it. You can just pick one and then copy those guys to make money when they make money. You can also see the analysis there. But Solana is definitely one of my top ones here because, yeah, it's a massive, massive ecosystem, and there's lots of meme coin action on there as well. So that all feeds into the price of Solana, which makes it a very, very nice asset to trade. Next, talking about meme coins, it is going to be Dogecoin here. And there's so many good copy traders surrounding Dogecoin as well here. So good stuff there. I do love Dogecoin. It is my third favorite asset to trade. And if we scroll down here, we can see DOT. Now, DOT is definitely high on the list. And yes, I would put it in my top 5 here. And you can see here, not much copy trading action, but the price action surrounding DOT is usually fantastic. You can see the big, big swings here, which is great for trading momentum on PU Prime. And then finally, I do love to trade Link, and that's why this is coming in my top 5, because Link has been around forever. It's one of my favorite assets to trade, and having it accessible on PU Prime is something that's fantastic. Now, we've listed 5 here today, and my favorite 5 to trade, but you can see here on the app, there are tons and tons of different cryptos that you can choose from, whether it's a meme coin like SHIB, BNB, BTC, or even Doge here, as we've talked about here today. So definitely consider checking out PU Prime in the description. But that is going to be my top 5 crypto assets to trade on PU Prime. Consider signing up to PU Prime because yes, it is a broker. You can trade Forex, you can trade indices, but you can also trade crypto here as well, as we've shown. So it's a really all-in-one platform, and the copy trading here is also a massive bonus. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video.